Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix music failed to play tracks error in Realme 15 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on music app and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of music app. After clear the cache memory, then go back to your home screen and click on Play Store and search here Power RAM and install this Power RAM app. After install this app, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.